Ever wake up to 0 new subscribers and wonder why your channel just isn't exploding? It sucks, right? But what if I told you there's one of the simplest tricks that can double your subscriber count? All you have to do is ask, at the right moment. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into one of the most underrated tactics on YouTube, asking your viewers to subscribe. Sounds basic? It is, but the timing and approach make all the difference. Trust me, I tested this on one of our videos, and we saw our subscriber rate double. Picture this, you're 9 seconds into a video with a drawn-out intro, and right off the bat, you're asked to subscribe. Annoying, right? As a viewer, I'm thinking, why should I subscribe if this guy hasn't even given me any value yet? Early asks not only kill your momentum, but they also tank your audience retention. You promised something exciting in that thumbnail and title, so start delivering. Here's what we did. In one video, we waited until we had delivered real value, almost 15 seconds in, before asking for subscribers. That one small change bumped our conversion from 1 subscriber every 116 views to 1 every 53 views. That's almost double the impact. Imagine what that could mean for your channel if you nail your call to action. Let's break it down further. Engage first. Focus on hooking your audience with value. This could be addressing a pain point, sharing a killer tip, or simply delivering content that resonates with them. Timing is critical. Wait until you've established a connection. When viewers are already invested, they're far more likely to hit that subscribe button. Ask clearly. Your call to action should be direct but not pushy. Something like, if you're enjoying this, hit subscribe for more tips. Works wonders. Extra bonus studies show that channels that strategically place their subscribe call to action can increase long-term retention. It's not just about the numbers. It's about building a community that feels valued. I know I've always been a bit hesitant to ask for subs because honestly it feels like a vanity metric sometimes. But here's the truth. Subscribers represent engaged viewers who trust you. And while metrics like average views per viewer and return visits are crucial, more subscribers mean more loyal fans who stick with you through thick and thin. To put things in perspective, in one video where I casually asked for subscribers after delivering real value, we gained over 2,000 subscribers from 100,000 views. In another similar video without that ask, we only netted around 930. That simple, well-timed ask made all the difference. This isn't just theory. It's proven in real-life scenarios. So, what's the ultimate takeaway? Don't rush the subscribe button. Deliver value first, engage your audience, and then make your ask. And if you're curious about more advanced strategies for growing your channel, I've got plenty more videos on that topic coming soon. Now if you found these tips helpful, do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And while you're at it, turn on notifications so you never miss out on my next video. Remember, building your channel is a marathon, not a sprint. And sometimes the simplest tricks are the most effective. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.